Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll evaluate the slope of a tangent to a circle. The circle is below at the point 1 and minus square root of 3. So let's start solving it. I know that the equation of a circle is equal x square plus y square equal to r square. And since it passed by the point, that circle 1 and minus square root of 3, I can replace x by 1. So it becomes 1 square plus, and my y by minus square root of 3 square equal to r square. So 1 square it's equal to 1 plus minus square root of 3 square is plus 3 equal to r square. So my r square is equal to 4. Now the equation of my circle become x square plus y square equal to 4. I know that the slope is the derivative of that equation, so I can derive it. D of x square divided by dx plus d of y square divided by dx is equal d of 4 divided by dx. So the first one is easy because I'm deriving according to x square, so it becomes 2x. The derivative of x square is 2x plus d of y square divided by dx. So I have y and I'm deriving according to x, so I have to change it to derive according to y. To do that, I will multiply this by 1, knowing that 1 is a neutral element of multiplication. Anything multiplied by 1 stays the same. So, but instead of writing 1, I want to write my 1 in an intelligent way. That way is dy over dy. Anything divided by itself is equal to 1. Equal, and derivative of a constant according to x is equal to 0. Now it becomes 2x plus. I know that 3 times 4 is equal to 4 times 3, so I can swap my dx and dy, because the multiplication of fraction, I multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So here I will swap my denominator and nothing would change, because 3 times 4 equal to 4 times 3. So it becomes dy square according to dy times dy divided by dx is equal to 0. And that's an x. So now I can derive here y square according to y. So it becomes 2x times plus actually 2y times dy over dx is equal to 0. Now I want dy over dx, so I want to isolate my dy over dx. So I will bring my 2x to the other side of my equality. So 2y dy over dx is equal minus 2x. And I can divide both sides by 2y and both sides by 2y. So my dy over dx would be minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. X over y. And since I'm studying my tangent at the point of 1 and square root of minus 3, so I replace my x by 1 and my y by square root of 3. So this square root of minus 3, so it become equal 1 divided by square root of 3. And if I want to write it in a better way, I can multiply it by 1, and my 1 I can write it by square root of 3 divided by square root of 3, because as you know, we don't like to see square root in the denominator. So my dy over dx is equal to square root of 3, because 1 times square root of 3 is square root of 3, and square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. So that is the slope of my tangent at that point. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. And when you subscribe, whenever I add a new video, you will get a notification. And trust me, I will always add new videos. like almost on a daily basis, I will be adding new videos. Thank you for watching, and if you like that video, if you put a like, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.